sound? The rumbling sound that your stomach makes actually has a name. It's called borborygmi. The first thing you need to know is that your stomach and intestines are always moving. About 2 to 4 hours after a meal, your digestive system starts a cleanup process called the migrating motor complex, or MMC. It basically sweeps leftover food, mucus, and bacteria through the rest of your digestive tract. As your stomach empties, it also releases ghrelin, which is known as the hunger hormone. This signals to your brain that it's time to eat. The rumbling happens because the muscle contractions are pushing around air and digestive fluids. And since a stomach acts like an empty chamber, those sounds get amplified, which means that other people can hear it too. Also, the noise doesn't just come from your stomach, it also comes from your small intestine. So stomach empties, releases ghrelin, and then while our stomach is empty, we hear the grumbling. I hope you guys were able to learn something today, and that's day 29. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm gonna stay consistent with this new schedule, which is one video every weekend. Bye!